Welcome to the second session of our topic resources, that is classification of resources. So here we are going to understand the different bases of classification of resources. Children, there are two links given below. You have to watch the videos for better understanding of classification and types of resources. As you all know that resources are classified into three: natural, human and human made. Now natural resources are classified into four based on their origin, utility, distribution and renewability. On the basis of origin, resources are divided into two: biotic and abiotic. So biotic resources are obtained from biosphere and have life. They are fisheries, flora, fauna, etc. But abiotic resources are those things which are composed of non-living things. So they are called as abiotic resources. For example, sunlight, temperature, minerals, all such things are called as abiotic resources. Now, on the basis of utility, again it is divided into two, that is actual resource and potential resource. Actual resources which have already been discovered, they are used to full extent. Survey has been done and they have been found out, like oil reserves of Middle East, coal deposits in Ruhr Valley. But potential resources, fully they have not been fully exploited but can be used in the future with the help of technology. Means surveys had to be conducted. For example, uranium found in Ladakh. On the basis of renewability, resources are classified into two: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are also called as inexhaustible resources. They get renewed or replenished at a regular rate, but some of them are unlimited. For example, water, wind, etc. Non-renewable resources are also known as exhaustible resources, means once they are used, once they are exhausted, they cannot be renewed or replaced. They have limited stock and careless use can affect it. For example, coal, petrol, natural gas, etc. On the basis of distribution, resources are classified into two: localized resource and ubiquitous resource. Localized resources are those which are found everywhere. For example, the air we breathe, solar energy, everywhere. Even you go to some other part of the world, you will find it there. But ubiquitous resource, they are not found everywhere. They are found only in certain places. For example, copper, iron ore, etc. Now, based on your understanding, you can remember this classification with the help of a very simple acronym, that is DOUR: distribution, origin, utility and renewability. Now, based on all your understanding, there is an activity. You have to create a graphic organizer to show all the information learnt till now about resources, like the examples given below. You can see energy saving climate change tips for your school, and there are so many other things written like energy saving tips during recess. For example, let's take this example. Suppose you are making a geo about energy saving tips for your school during recess. So what can you write? That turning off lights, turning off fans, ACs when you are not in the class. Use energy efficient bulbs, that are halogen bulbs, because incandescent bulbs use about 5 times as much power to produce the same amount of light. Now we have come to the end of this session and I hope this topic is well understood, children. So based on your knowledge, you have to complete 2 pages. When you open your textbook, you will see two pages are there, 10 and 11. You have to fill it up by yourself. And this is all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you, all of you.